Hello students, in this video we will solve the third question under exercise 4.3 of the NCERT book of solving problems using quadratic formula. Our first problem is x minus 1 upon x equal to 3 where x is not equal to 0. So we have been given specifically x is not equal to 0 because if x becomes equal to 0 then this would be 1 upon 0 and that equation would not be valid. So we have been given x minus 1 upon x equal to 3 and we need to find the roots of this equation. So first let us get this into a quadratic equation form. The general form is ax square plus bx plus c as we know. So let us see how we can get this. So if we take the LCM over here, this will become x square minus 1 whole thing upon x equal to 3. Take x and multiply it with 3, it will be x square minus 1 equal to 3x. We bring 3x on the left hand side, it will become negative and we will get x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Now this is in the quadratic equation form. If we compare it with our general form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to minus 1. First we find the discriminant, whether it is equal to or greater than 0. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. b is minus 3. So minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a which is 1 and c which is minus 1. Minus 3 whole square gives us 9. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 and minus 4 will give us plus 4, which means discriminant is equal to 13. Now this implies that discriminant is greater than 0. Therefore we can say that quadratic equation has real distinct roots. To find the roots, we use the quadratic formula, which is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of discriminant upon 2a. b is minus 3. So minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of d. d is 13 upon 2a. a is 1. So minus into minus will give us positive 3 plus or minus square root of 13 whole thing upon 2. So this is value of x, which means we can write x equal to 3 plus square root 13 whole thing upon 2 or x equal to 3 minus square root 13 upon 2. And that means we get two distinct roots for this quadratic equation. We can conclude over, therefore 3 plus square root 13 upon 2 and 3 minus square root 13 upon 2 are roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. If we got another problem under question number 3, that is 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 equal to 11 upon 30, where it is given x is not equal to minus 4 and not equal to positive 7. Because if we have minus 4, then this will become minus 4 plus 4, which will be 0. This equation will not be valid. Similarly, if we have x equal to 7, then this will become 7 minus 7, which is also equal to 0. Hence, both these values have been ruled out for x. Let us first bring this in our quadratic equation form. For that, we'll have to remove the LCM. So we'll get the LCM, we'll get x plus 4 will multiply and x minus 7 will multiply with 1. So x minus 7 minus x plus 4 whole thing upon x plus 4 into x minus 7 equal to 11 upon 30, right? Then we open this bracket up on top, so x minus 7 minus x, whatever is positive will become negative. So minus x minus 4, and left with x plus 4 into, and we can open this bracket up as well, that is x plus 4 into x minus 7. So we can put this as a x into x minus 7 plus 4 into x minus 7 into equal to 11 upon 30. X minus x is 0, so these two cancel out. Minus 7 and minus 4 will give us minus 11 upon x into x gives us x square. X into minus 7 will give us minus 7x, plus 4 into x gives us plus 4x, plus 4 into minus 7 will give minus 28. This will be 11 upon 30. Okay, then minus 11 whole thing upon x square will remain the way it is. Do it over here. So minus 11 whole thing upon x square will remain the way it is. Minus 7x plus 4x will give us minus 3x, sign of the greater number, and minus 28 equal to 11 upon 30. Okay, now this 11 and this 11 will cancel, and we can multiply on the opposite sides now. 30 will multiply into 1, which will remain over here. So just for your sake, I'll put it as minus 1 whole thing upon x square minus 3x minus 28 equal to 1 upon 30. Now 30 will multiply here, and this entire quadratic equation will multiply with this one. So we get minus 30 equal to x square minus 3x minus 28. Now we take minus 30 on the right hand side so that we get 0 on the left hand side. So I'll just switch the positions. Whatever is left, I'll bring it to the right, and whatever is right goes to the left. So we will get x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30, because it was minus 30. Now when it goes on the other side, it becomes plus 30 equal to 0. And we get x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Fine. Now we have got it in the quadratic equation form. All we need to do is compare it with our general form, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And we'll get our a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, and c equal to 2. We'll get our discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. b is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a, which is 1, and c, which is 2. Minus 3 whole square gives us 9. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So minus 8, which is equal to 1, which implies that d is greater than 0. So since I can say, since d is greater than 0, put it over here, you can say this implies that quadratic equation has real distinct roots. Now we apply the quadratic formula to get the roots, and this is the formula: x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of discriminant upon 2a minus b. So b is, see over here, equal to minus 3. So minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of d. d is 1. 2a, a is also 1. This will be minus of minus 3 will give us positive 3, plus or minus square root of 1 is 1 whole thing upon 2. So this is x. So x can be written as 3 plus 1 upon 2, or x equal to 3 minus 1 upon 2. Now if x is equal to 3 plus 1 upon 2, we get 4 upon 2, which means x is equal to 2. So 2 on the 2, 2 2s are 4. And in this case, x is 3 minus 1, so 2 upon 2. 2 and 2 cancel, we get x equal to 1. And therefore, we can conclude that 2 and 1 are roots of quadratic equation. With this, we complete problems that are under question number 3. So there were only 2 questions, 2 problems under question 3. If you've liked this video, click the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click the bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is posted. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.